Hi guys, this is Astha Shah, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. Today I'm going to Brazil with Amazon Prime Video for the launch of one of their movies, which you will come to know through the vlog. It's my first very big collaboration with a brand, and that also going abroad, so it feels really cool. I'm someone I've never traveled business class in my life, so this is one of the things which actually excites me. I've traveled once when I went to Cannes, and this is my second time I'm flying Emirates, and I don't know, it's just getting me very happy. My flight's at 4:15. I'm on my way, and
I'm the driver.
Yeah, I have a special service today. So yeah, I have one of the creators, RJ Mahavesh. I'm sure you guys have heard of her. She's coming with me as well. I'm on my way, and yeah, I'll just take you through my trip. I am excited, and I hope you are also excited while you're watching the vlog. This is such a different feeling, guys. I don't know. Immigration, everything is done. So generally, we are used to coming to the airport 3 hours earlier, but business class mein everything is on priority, so you can come thoda late also. And I'm telling you, all of this seems very different to me. I'm going for 4 days, not even 4 full days, but abhi business class hai, 30 kgs allowed hai, 2 bags allowed hai. So why not just take the chance, tough things, but take it, because otherwise you're not allowed to take so many bags. Now on I'll only travel business class, so right. I seem dead right now because it's 3 o'clock in Bombay, and I'm so tired. I'm not used to being awake so late. I'm waiting for the flight to leave. I want to sit in the flight and I just want to sleep. So we also have access to the Adani lounge, which is quite cool, because otherwise when you have an economy, you just need to wait at the gate. I'm also a little nervous because in business class there are so many different things, even a simple thing like removing that table to eat food. I don't know how to do it, and I feel so awkward because when people remove it to eat food, I'm just clueless. Kya karna hai? I mean, last time when I went to Cannes, Tabhi the air hostess had helped me. Hopefully, of course, this time also she will. But it's just so weird. I don't travel frequently by business class, so I just get thoda nervous. I've just been talking so much about business class. People must be thinking, what's so great about it? But someone who doesn't travel so often, the feeling is really different. My parents and my brother, they're so excited that I'm traveling business class. I can't explain. Also, a cherry on the cake is that it's done by a brand. It's a fully sponsored trip, and it's such a proud feeling. Those small kids who behave crazy when they see something for the first time. I feel that's what is happening to me. And by the way, see my nails. Literally don't know how to put this inside. I am so lost. I feel awkward. Hi guys. So we have reached Dubai after a 3 hours ka flight. I'm so sleepy because they woke me up for breakfast, and by mistake they served me egg burji and I don't eat. I finally met Mahvesh. She's gone to get some food. We've come to the business class now to the Dubai airport. Forget that, but our next flight is for 15 and a half hours. Itna time, what will we do? I have no idea. But I don't know, I'm just excited to go there. But I've heard there's a lot of crime that happens in Brazil, so I'm a little scared, but I'm also very excited. I think I'm going to use the word excited throughout my vlog. Here she is, guys. Finally, I met her. After 20 minutes of the vlog, I finally met her. Layover is done, and I am in my second flight. I think this one is way better than the first one also. Both are Emirates, but I don't know, this just more I don't know, it's the same, but it's just more classy. It has more things. Maybe because it's like a longer flight, they've given us this like small pouch with a lot of things inside. They've even offered us pajamas. Yeah, I'm just like, I don't know, I'm behaving like, again, I'm behaving like a child, constantly taking pictures, and I just want to constantly take pictures, make memories. I call my parents, like they are so happy. I don't know. They literally added this mattress down. I feel like I'm at home. 15 hours की journey में क्या ही करना है? Just sleep, 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 and sleep. So by mistake, instead of Asian veg, they put in vegan. So I'm eating vegan food. The presentation is quite cool. That's tofu, spinach, hash browns. I am literally getting fascinated by so many things. There's a whole bar over here. The bathroom is so nice, and I just figured this really cool thing. I don't know how I'm gonna turn the camera. Wait, I'm gonna shoot it again. Like if I press this, it comes down. Time to sleep for some time now. I'm too tired, too exhausted. I don't know what's happening. Hours later, we are finally in Sao Paulo in Brazil. Not even 15, actually 24 hours, because first flight was 3 hours and 3 hours layover, then 15 and a half hours ka flight. I'm actually tired traveling, but again, like I said, I'm going to use the word 100 times. I'm excited. We picked our bags. Of course, I've got 2 bags because business class. 2 bags you can take. They're only for 4 days, but still, make use of it. Yay! Someone's come to pick us up. Can you say hi?
Bienvenue Brazil!
They've sent like a whole car to pick us up. Woo. भाई सब में Amazon Prime Video CCXP24 लिखा है.
Branding is everywhere.
हम कहाँ पहुँचे अभी?
Amazon Prime order.
We have finally reached Brazil after 24 hours, one day.
भी बहुत समझदार है, इसने लाइट ऑन कर दिया हमारे लिए.
And
लड़कियों को कुछ नहीं होगा.
काम ही तो वीडियो ही तो शूट करना है पूरे टाइम.
इनमें से किसी को अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है, फुल ऑन ट्रांसलेटर ऑन करना पड़ेगा. हिंदी में कितनी भी गालियाँ दे सकते हैं.
How was your experience business class में?
Luxury. अब मैं किसी से सीधे मुंह बात नहीं करूँ.
We only travel business class now. Yeah, like you know.
Sorry, economy.
Yeah. Like, we're heading to the hotel now, and yeah, we're excited. Which hotel? I forgot the name.
I never knew the name. बहुत ही सूखा सा देख रहे हैं इनका था. Green and dry.
भाई हमने 4,500 spend किए वैक्सीन.
किसी ने पूछा भी नहीं कि वैक्सीन लगवाई है कि नहीं.
Exactly, we've spent so much. ठीक है बट अभी so much नहीं है, थोड़ा ही है, बट ठीक है अभी वेस्ट हो गया तो हम इंडियन मारवाड़ी हूँ मैं तो दुख हो रही है थोड़ी.
ऊपर से वो वहाँ हिंदी में बात करने लगा, इमिग्रेशन वाला. वो कह रहा है आपका सफर
Yeah,
मंगलमय हो.
bro, he was flirting with her.
आपका सफर मंगलमय हो. फिर कह रहा है कि शुभ यात्रा करिए, मुझे आपके दस्तावेज चेक करने में. कहा अभी तो मुझे भी नहीं आती जितनी तू बोल रहा है.
I have entered my room. I'm so tired. They've given us this goodie bag. It's like a cute room. I'm going to be staying alone here because everyone has their own rooms. That's the bathroom. I am so jet lagged. I need to sleep. Just unboxed everything from the bag and just look at the goodies. Never been so jet lagged in my life. I'm so tired, yaar. Now we have to go for this cocktail thing, so that a small cocktail meetup kind of thing, so we end up meeting the other creators who've come from all over the world. Quickly gonna do that, eat some food and crash. Met a few creators who are going to be there during this entire event. They are from like so many different places like Argentina, New York, Mexico, Colombia. We met a few of them, but it was like a very small party, just like a icebreaker kind of thing, because the actual events start from tomorrow. I've come to my room now. I'm quickly gonna eat something because there are issues of vegetarian food here. If you're a vegetarian and you want to come to Brazil, please carry lots and lots of food. I've luckily got thepla and kappa noodles, which my mom, of course, packed for me. She forced it and gave it to me, thank God, otherwise I would be staying hungry here. And I think I'm a little extra, like even if they say it's vegetarian or vegan, I feel there's something non-veg in it. So I can't eat anything. I'm quickly gonna eat some kappa noodles and crash. I will see you tomorrow for the event. Hi guys, good morning. Today is the first day. I am extremely jet lagged. I'm awake since 5 a.m. Brazil time. But I also had to get up and get ready and stuff like that. There are a lot of things to do. So we are here for the CCXP 2024, which is the Comic-Con. And we're also here for the launch of Amazon Prime Video's movie, which is called Kalpa Tuya. This is my first time here with a brand and it feels very nice. And all the way from India to Brazil. Yesterday we met so many creators, like basically there are hundreds of creators from all over the world, but me and Mehvash are like the only two from India. Anyway, there are 4 events in total. Today is one and then the main event is in the night today. So I'm going to get ready and quickly show you. The dress code was for all the events is actually chic and elegant. So right now I'm going to start with the blazer dress. I'm going to quickly show you everything and yeah, let's get ready. This is my entire look. I don't know if you can see it. It's a blazer, it's a leather tie, a shirt, some rings, high ponytail, these ear cuffs, and stockings and my boots. We had to do like a very chic and elegant outfit, like I told you. I am super excited to go for the event now. I don't know if I'll be able to record much, but whatever I can, I'm definitely going to show it to you guys. Bye! Guys, we are at the Comic-Con. I forgot to vlog because we were getting super late and we had to specifically come early with Amazon Prime Video and now we're gonna explore everything. Guys, I forgot my mic, so deal with me. So cute! Too cute!
आर्मर पहने खड़ा था, मुझसे बोला कम हैव फोटो विद मी. मैं गई, मैंने फोटो खिंचा ली उसके बाद, फिर कह रहा है नाउ पे मी. और उसके बाद उसने मुझे पकड़ लिया, कह रहा है कि पे मी जस्ट पे मी.
Where are we? हम कहाँ हैं?
हम हैं कल्पा तुया एक्सपीरियंस पे.
किसको मिलने वाले हैं?
दिल का प्यार में धड़कने तेज हो गई.
Good morning, guys. Yesterday's event was so nice. It was like a sundowner. We got to meet the actors and the actresses as well. It was a very chill scene, music, drinks. People were making permanent tattoos, photos, etc. The main thing that we had come for, which was the Kalpa Tuya movie launch, which is called Your Fault in English, part 2. That was the main event yesterday. So we were the 15 of us who had come from all over the world, 15 creators. And then there were the local creators who were called, like how it generally happens in India. I mean, in Bombay, when we have an event, the local creators are called. And if anyone from outside is there, they are, basically flown here. So it was nice, it was fun. I love my outfit. I got some good pictures. Dude, the Amazon Prime Video team is so systematic. They literally have like the entire team which comes everywhere with us. They get the best pictures and then they immediately upload it on the link. So if you want to like post and stuff, it's very nice because they know we're content creators. It's morning here. Today's day starts actually at 2:30. Today we're gonna get ready. I mean, by their team, they've got like hair and makeup artists and stuff. And we have like 2-3 hours to kill before that. So they're taking us for a small city tour. So yes, let's go. My breakfast, guys. Poha and some max protein.
It's like just We'll go from here around, and it ends right over there. So I think we can do it like in half an hour, just to see the wall.
We've come to, is this a flea market or what? There are a lot of graffiti walls. See, come here maybe, see.
It's 180. Yeah.
180,
It's pretty similar to this one.
180 into 14.
क्या हो गया यार?
बहुत expensive है.
हाँ.
Not needed.
नेगोशिएट कराएंगे.
ये तो हमको है ना वो मिंत्रा पे भी मिल सकता है सेम.
Did you get this in 100?
No, I don't. Sorry.
They don't negotiate.
These really cool graffiti walls. They are so specific about security that we have the security with us throughout. I like that. It's so hot here. I literally cannot. I've put sunscreen, but I hope I don't get sunburnt. It's 30 degrees. But she has worn a hoodie and she's carried a muffler, guys. Muffler.
Hoodie तो मुझे नहीं. अरे Google showed 15 degrees.
भाई स्विट्जरलैंड में है क्या? स्विट्जरलैंड में है. We've now come to the flea market. Maybe we get to shop something. क्या है भाई, पिल्लो है क्या सोने का?
ये this is one or two.
You're making biceps on. एक तो इन लोग का कुछ बात ही नहीं समझ में आता है. That's a dog. Why the hell do they have this? Bhai, sorry. Only Hindi. Yeah, there are lizards.
नहीं बोलती आप सब.
Lizards है, fish है, महवश है.
Lizard है मैं बस.
Wow, so pretty. This is like the main Brazilian market, I think, where you get like their local stuff. I always get like a souvenir when I go to any country. So I think now we're gonna go for one Brazil. 13 Brazilian reals. We got 2. निकालो चुपके से भाई.
25.
चोरी ना हो जाए. I really like the fact that there's a security with us throughout, so we don't need to feel unsafe. Is that sugarcane?
Yes.
Some sugarcane juice.
तो यहाँ पे added sugar वाला लगा है. Thank you. Yeah, I love it. It is like.
हाँ जो हाँ इधर for sure added sugar.
Express with we like not really.
India is way better. Mumbai is way better.
This one has no filling in it, but you can do it with cheese, meat, and everything. This is just we call pastel de ar, which is like
Pastelgia.
air filled pastel. So it's just like that.
El segundo que más escucho este año.
We've come to a rooftop where we can see the whole of Brazil. Whole? Brazil, nahi, sorry. Sao Paulo. Good morning, guys. I forgot to vlog yesterday. Actually, it was very, very hectic. But I'm going to give you a small gist. So basically, in the morning, we went for a city tour. We went to this place which has like full graffiti walls. We went to the flea market where we didn't actually get anything. They were all antique things. Yeah, we went to this rooftop where you could see the whole of Brazil. So yeah, we did that. We came back home quickly, changed into our outfits. We had like someone to do our hair. Quickly got ready into all like different characters. I wanted to dress as one of the characters from Lord of the Rings, but in the end I couldn't get the outfit, so I tried to do the best I could. Though I love my outfit, it's a very modern type Galadriel Lord of the Rings character. We went for the Comic-Con. We met so many people. So many people put in so much of efforts. Some were dressed as like Deadpool, Spider-Man, Avengers, so many other different things. I got pictures with so many people. It was so much of fun. We then attended a panel where different actors came, spoke about their movies. We saw so many trailers. And then last was the farewell party with Amazon Prime Video. It was such an amazing experience. I cannot explain. I get goosebumps even while talking about it. I didn't expect something like this. I didn't expect to be here. And it just feels extremely amazing. So yeah, I was tired. I came back home. We have today last day because tonight is our flight. So me and Mehvash are just going out to chill for some time. And yeah, see you. To be safe, मैंने जैकेट पहनी है आउटफिट के ऊपर.
और क्योंकि आज तो इतनी तैयार है इसलिए मैं चश्मा लगा.
इधर कुछ भी कोई भी चोरी कर सकता है
और इसका फोन चलते चलते भी चोरी हो सकता है, आप देखेंगे लाइव एकदम।
और अब हम सिर्फ शुद्ध हिंदी में बात करेंगे।
डरावना हो रहा है माहौल।
शूट करना अलाउड नहीं है,
किसने बोला?
चोरी हो जाएगी।
हुई ना।
व्लॉग तो मिलेगी नहीं। We did a little bit of shopping. You can see I changed my outfit because it was very uncomfortable. This is my outfit now. It's pretty cute. There's literally no veg food here, guys. I don't know, it's so tough to survive here. And I'm so tired of translating because they don't understand English. I'm just eating fries now, I don't know. Mehwish to sab buy kar rahi hai. The amount of shopping Mehwish has done is literally...
भी बैग है।
एक ही बैग है मेरा, एक पैंट है उसमें से एक तो मैंने पहन लिया अभी जिसमें आइस टी गिरा हुआ है।
मुझे एक ही स्टोर में दूसरी बार ले गए, खुद तो कुछ नहीं लिया, मैं फिर से कुछ ले आ रही हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों, जिन चीजों की मुझे जरूरत भी नहीं है।
I am back in the hotel. It was a cute day. We walked on the streets, went to the mall. I didn't really shop so much. Mehwish shopped more. She bought like 4 Converse shoes. There was not really much to do otherwise over here. Actually, in Brazil, there's a very famous place called Rio, where generally all the parties and like happening places are there. So we had decided to actually fly there, but things didn't work out, so we couldn't. Our flight is right now in the next 2-3 hours, and our room is in a mess as usual. I have to quickly pack and leave. It's going to be a very long journey, and once I reach Bombay, I have an event to attend ASAP. Jet lag is literally just going to kill me. I don't know what's happening. I don't know which time zone I am in. I just literally don't know anything. My first flight is for 14 hours from Sao Paulo to Dubai. Then there's a layover in Dubai for 6 hours, and then a flight, like 3.5 hours flight to Bombay. So I am leaving on 8th night, and I will reach Bombay on 10th morning. Best part is that it's at least business class, so I'll get to sleep properly. Otherwise, I would literally be dead. But just talking about the experience again, I can't believe what I've experienced. I can't believe I was here. Maybe I couldn't take everything in the vlog, but if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you'll be able to see all my content, all my stories. I've made a different highlight on Instagram for all these stories. But thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you actually, because if you guys wouldn't be there, I wouldn't be where I am. Your support has literally got me here. I was the few creators who were selected from India. It was just me and Mehwish, which is like a very big thing. I feel so nice. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. I'm really grateful for each of y'all. Now we'll probably vlog in the flight. I'm not sure because I'm really tired of shooting. My entire trip has just been like events, shooting, and I just want to chill. I just want to enjoy my flight back. Maybe I'll just take a few videos and stuff. But thank you. See you guys. Would you like to see my beautiful room? It is so disgusting. Who's going to clean so much? Guys, help. Please help. Goodbye, Brazil. I'll miss you. We are back in Mumbai. Special car service by Emirates, guys. They've sent like a Mercedes, dude. What the hell?